Yeah, I'm a war. You want somebody a war. Pablo right here, somebody a war to it.
Original girl, you are no replica. Smoke dean, no regular, with your fury lamp, put your palm cellular.
Forecasted into a hurricane category 2, headed directly for Jamaica. I wish I was wrong with my predictions, but here we go, guys.
Banging, what I go on, my viewers, my subs, welcome back to the channel. And coming up on today's episode, we have dancehall artist Pablo YG getting into a big fight at the popular nightclub Mecca. Yes man people, it no look good. TJ up top bars, I make Popcorn no say no way in shape or farm him can box him like how him box down. DJ Mac, yes man people, have a terrible piece of hurricane heading to Jamaica with hurricane barrel. So I hope you not stay safe, hope you not prepare and do everything for the hurricane people. Yes man. Also we have Skillibeng performing at the 2024 BET Awards. You see me I say, yes man, history again. All of them want to come back, so go and stay tuned. If you're not yet a member of the gang, please do so right now by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, tell a friend to join the gang fam. I know that we got that all out of the way. Hey, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats you know. You know it's what you know, me and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.
Original girl, you are no replica. Smoke dean, no regular, with your fury lamp, put your palm cellular. You know say you're hot.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class of a
So people, that was Tyler alongside Skillibeng performing their collaboration on the 2024 BET Awards. And trust me people, it's a very good look for Skillibeng, the artist. It's a good look for dancehall overall, as I say. Cause you know what I go on in a dancehall space right now in a Jamaica. The artists them have some time crab in a barrel mentality, you see me I say, and Skillibeng the whoever one part is it by himself. I put in the work and I make dancehall know globally, and for that we have to rate the artist for that, you see me I say. Again, big up to Skillibeng, keep on do it youth, you see me. I like that lane the way inner, I like how you're there, whoever one part, I do your own thing, you see it? Yes man. So what you know, viewers and subscribers, the Jamaican government could have to repay $150 million in lawyer fees to Vybz Kartel and his 3 co-accused for their United Kingdom Privy Council appeal. Ja. What me want to know, when them say government, what them mean by the government could have to repay? The government a repay or we, the Jamaican taxpayer, a figure repay? Janwo youth. I'm telling you, you know, if you want to live your best life, just go into politics, is it? If you want do some things and they get penalized for it, or if you just want to live free, you see me I say, half of the box of the hard working Jamaican people, just go join politics man, you see me, go join any one of them party. I swear man, no joke no night, you see me I laugh, this serious. And the report reveals that the government paid £185,659,000, which is equivalent to $36.2 million to the British lawyers who argued against the appeal before the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council. This includes $48,138, and that's $9.3 million paid last year for the defense unsuccessful application to introduce new evidence and additional $137,521.80, which is equivalent to the Jamaican currency is $26.8 million, was paid in April for the core appeal arguments according to data obtained by the Gleaner from the Finance Ministry Compensation Unit. Jaja. People stay tuned and thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about that. We're moving on. The up top boss DJ was performing, and while performing he decided to send a strong message to Popcorn and make Popcorn know say no in shape or form him can see him a road and diss him like how him diss DJ Mac.
Okay guys, major breaking news. This storm that I warned you about, Hurricane Beryl, it's official. It will be turning into a Category 1 just before it hits Barbados and St. Lucia and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and then afterwards it's going to strengthen, forecasted into a Hurricane Category 2, headed directly for Jamaica. I wish I was wrong with my predictions, but here we go, guys. Let's take a quick look and I'll show you the spaghetti models, but that's ending right there on Jamaica, exactly like I predicted, but let's take a closer look. As you can see, Monday, just before Barbados, turning into Hurricane Category 1. So between Monday and Tuesday, going through the islands here, Barbados. Guys, Hurricane Beryl is on the way. Make sure to hit those buttons for updates. I'm going to be doing a live stream to keep you guys informed. By Wednesday, it'll be just south of Dominican Republic here. And by Thursday, it's looking like a direct hit to Jamaica, guys. I hope everyone's prepared. Plan for the worst.
Yes, man, viewers and subs on the show, go on. This serious, no joke, night. See me a laugh. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. As I say, it is expected to hit Jamaica on Wednesday, and by that time, it could be a Category 4 hurricane. Is it? Cha-cha. Trust me, Jamaica can't manage that. Right now, you know, over the years, the hurricane been passing Jamaica just by some inches, and you know, we always joke about it sometimes and say, well, God bless. Well, look like the blessing kind of run out for now, because it look like it's a direct hit for Jamaica, and people just prepare. I say, prepare. You see me? I say, go and go spend $50,000 in a grocery, but you see me? I say, it's best to prepare than failure to prepare. Is it? So people, dancehall artist Pablo YG got into some form of altercation with somebody at the popular nightclub Mecca. You see me? I say, people, and you know, it's not a good look for the dancehall artists them. You see me? I say, for everywhere them show up. Is it me? Some form of altercation of a go on, is it? And you know what I mean? It's a hard for both the artists them over the years, because if they're not going to keep on travel with 100 man strong, and whenever you know so much man apart, you know something else. Half a papa for than just party or go enjoy yourself. So let's see what I want, people. Stay tuned, thoughts down below and let me know what you think about that. Now other reports now come out, so the artist hurt or them hurt anybody, so it look like all in all everything good. But you see me? Artists them on the need for roll more better. If you're not go roll with 100 man, on the try to find a section where the 100 man can roll. You see me? That's no farmer stuffly enough to go on between no man and man. You see me? I say, cause it no look good. You see me? For dancehall. Yes, man. So right now, I'll leave on with, last but not least, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, baby mother. She had a picture of her daughter, Adiana, who graduated recently. And she was talking about the hard times, you know what I mean, when Vybz Kartel got locked up. She'd have to jump out, get another job, you know what I mean, to help send her daughter to prep school. Because, you know, even though Vybz Kartel locked up, no money now come in. You see me? She now just pull her out of school to put her into another school. You see me? She accustomed to a certain type of lifestyle, and she'd have to do what she have to do to maintain it. You see me? I say, people, on the list of what go on.
Understand it, you know. Even when she younger, she don't understand it. Going to the Vanna man time for carry her school a prayer, you know. She don't understand. If you have some 3 o'clock, me in a this, you know. Some 3 a.m., you know. Me in a this, in a prayer, you know. When me I tell you, say, people wicked. People wicked. People wicked. I can't emphasize how wicked they are. I'm not going to say people bad because they're not bad. Because a girl when I like me, cannot. I know. And then the reasons why people don't like me, I can't name them out. You have people who hate me because my old little girl father is crazy. Because You have people who hate me just because I'm a personality. You have people hate me just because people genuinely like me. But when I tell you, the people who don't like me, they have to keep it among themselves. Or they go spend out their money as some people say them can't do me things. And I'm going to tell you this tonight. I want to know for them to start my YouTube channel. So I have my whole tripod stick can go big. I have the one that can rotate, so I can see the things them. Whatever. So I'm going to start my YouTube channel officially. And I have some stories to share. People always want to know how I meet the man. I'm going to get into that. People want to know. I want to tell you how I had to do emergency surgery last year, thinking I was sick. When a church I go, and the bishop could have picked me out and tell me, say, girl, yo. And another thing me I got to tell you now. Me with the writer, so when I know none now, no, only few up and write someone in a real life. But now come out the yard, but now come around, no, me can't do nothing. You see, the people that can't do something, like the people that in no car, the people that in no house, the people that come sleep on your white sheet, we see them are your friend. The people that ask why only white things I use. Them kind of people there, them can't do no things. Your enemy can't do nothing. Your enemy can't do nothing. It's always the ones them who no call friend. Always the ones them wanna call friend. Always the ones them wanna call friend. I can backtrack how friends do me. Me have a friend where I'm gonna tell you so we are bench and party. Bench and with this close. The kind of friendship we like, girl, I meet that boy. Girl, that boy like my girl, me do this, girl, me do that, girl, me get that money, girl, me go do that kind of friendship there. When them lock up my baby father, I say shit. I say 1 month pass, the man still lock up. 2 months pass, the man still lock up. 3 months, and it's an ongoing thing. I link that girl and I say, girl, ask your boss if you want nobody for work. Cause guess I know the girl willing to go work, do a second job, cause the pitney I got prep school, I mean, know how it a go. And when I tell you, the girl said, the boss don't want nobody, she didn't even ask. A big man when I know, I link him and say, you know that big man there? Tell him I need a job. And boss give me the job. So me have an extra job now because the pitney I forgot school. I remember prep school alone she used to, cause when me do. And when I tell you, when I get the job, I got the place, the girl become an enemy. She not deal with me for months. Till long after she texts me and says she miss me, she want to be back friend. Me like a funny idiot now go friend back the girl. That's something for fool and stay. And all because I wanted a job. In my head, I think the girl would have glad because the night, my mister said, girl, I'm going to be a co-worker. She said for weird because she had another job. So it's 2 jobs she had. So I say, for that place there, I'll let you depend on the live, you know which part me I talk. And I say, for that place. And she said, I know you that go do that. You really go behind my back, go ask the boss. In my head, I never think of behind your back, I just a thing say. Links, the things. We know a big man, we know the big man, and I get the job. Lord God, do man not talk to me. But I do the work. Because
yeah, watching man, that's it for now. Thanks for all who watch until the end of the video. Like always, just a like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch now.